This constructor allows me to bisect any given angle. It's the basis of the perpendicular that we'll create in a while, because we're bisecting a 180-degree line. You can also use it along with the previous constructing a 60-degree angle video to construct a 30 degrees. Notice this one, I've set the angle to being 70 degrees. That's just so that we can check it afterwards and make sure that we've got the right angle. So, compasses, if you follow the basic rule, I'll do all constructions in purple, and with all constructions, leave your construction lines so they are visible, not necessarily heavy, but visible. And we're going to follow rule 1 with compasses. The point of the compass can only go on a known point. With this angle, the only point I truly know is where the two lines meet. The ends of these lines could continue on forever, and my interest is the angle. So I'm going to put the point where the two lines meet, draw my compasses out to make a reasonable sized diagram, and the trick with all bisectors is to create an image of reflection. So we can imagine the bisecting line being a mirror line in between, so anything I do on one side I must copy on the other. So I create an arc on one side where it cuts the line, and I create its mirror image on the other side. Now, a lot of people say leave the compasses set the same. Because of reasons that I'm going to use this for perpendiculars, all I'm going to say to you is make sure the compasses are left the same as you do the arcs that mirror each other. I've now got two new points, and if I go out to here, I need to think I want a mirror line coming through. Now, one point about mirror lines is if you have a point on the mirror, it will not move. And that's what we're trying to find now, is by moving away from here, these 2 points are mirrors. Can I find another point on the mirror line which would not move, would be on the mirror? So I'm going to do an arc that side and repeat its mirror image. So I'll do the mirror image on that side. I've now created a point that is on my mirror line between the two angles, or the two lines. And this is called an angle bisector, often used in loci questions to say the line that is the same distance from other two lines. So if I measure the shortest distance from any point on this line to this wall, it should be the same as any point on the same point to that wall. Okay, so these distances should be the same. Put my protractor back on, and we've got an angle 70 degrees that's been bisected by 35. That's the next construction completed.